Everyone, welcome back to my vlog. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's me again, it's Pinay Vlog. For today's vlog, I'm sharing you my mini garden, my beauty in red bell peppers. They're big and red, perfect for menudo and caldereta and spaghetti and many more you want to cook with them. It's delicious, yummy. Is fruit of labor, fruit of love, here in my mini garden, summer 2025. So shout out to all the viewers, subscribers. Make a shout out to you all. This Megan has been a vlog. Like and share, subscribe my YouTube channel. It's been a vlog of Maryland, and shout out to all the viewers, subscribers, my followers, and to all my social media followers, social media viewers, and all of you guys. Shout out to you all, and God bless you all. And there is my bell peppers, beauty and red. They're beautiful. Look at that. There are lots of fruits underneath. They're beautiful right there, pretty and beautiful. It's real labor of love. My hard work is blooming. Thank you very much for watching, and God bless you all. So long, and see you again soon for the next vlog. It's Megan, it's been a vlog. Look at those. There are a lot of them. Beautiful is a lot there. Perfect for menudo and beef caldereta and apretada and spaghetti and everything. So delicious for your meal, whatever you need to do. Thank you for watching. God bless you all. So long, and see you again soon for this vlog. Thank you, and God bless. There are like 2, 4, 6. Most of them is red, and some of them is still green. So delicious, yummy-licious, and natural, right from the tree, right there. They're big. Look at those. They're big, beauty and red. Look at that. They're big, beauty and red. See how big? Like this, 2 inches. They're big and delicious, yummy-licious. Thank you, and God bless you all. So long. See you again soon for the next vlog. Thank you, and God bless. Thank you everyone for watching. God bless you all. So long, and God bless. And mixing with mine tomato vine, sweet potato vine also. So right here. Thank you, and God bless. So long. See you again soon for the next vlog. It is 6 o'clock p.m. here. It is Friday afternoon. Right here, August the 8th. Thank you, and God bless. So long. See you again soon for the next vlog. God bless, and take care, and have a good weekend to you all. Take care, and God bless you all. So long, everyone. See you again soon for the next vlog. Thank you, and God bless. 6 of them, the beautiful, beauty and red. There you go. Green and red. Thank you, and God bless you all. Fruit of love, labor of love. Thank you, and God bless you all. So long, everyone. Thank you, and God bless you all.